All right, just something quick. I know it's not very complex, but I think I forgot about it. So let's say we have a number, right? We have a number. I'm trying to, come on. All right, yeah, so we have a number. It's 24 squared. What do I do? Well, we use the squaring method or the close together method. I think they're pretty much the same thing, but basically what it is you go down to 20, right? Because that's an easy number to multiply, and you go up the same amount that you went down. So if you went down 4, you go up 4 to 28. Now, these numbers are important right here because these are the numbers that are going to be used at the end. So let's first do 28 times 20. 28 times 20 is also 20 times, well, 20, let's take 28 and do 20 plus 8, and that's still times 20. But notice that's 20 times 20 plus 20 times 8. And so that's 400 plus 160, which we know is 560. All right. So you do 20 times 20, which is 400, 20 times 8, which is 160. 400 plus 160 is 560. So we got 560, but we're not done yet. We still have to do these two. All right. And what's 4 squared? 16. All right. We add that. We get 576. This is a special case of the close together method. It's called the squaring method.